simple recipe, easy to make fried rice. Just only need some few ingredients you already have in the fridge, especially you like running out of idea what to make. This recipe is easy and simple and delicious too, and amazing. You have like salt, soy sauce, and some few ingredient like spices. You don't have to go with so many. Black pepper can do, and garlic powder with a one large chunk onion, and one like 12 egg, or maybe like whatever you have, and then measure, and then your oil. What you need first, you need to break them first and mix them. When you mix them, fry it alone and make it crumble egg first, then put it on the other side. And then what you're gonna need, you're gonna be frying your onion afterwards in the same time after removing the egg, the crumble egg. Later on you're gonna mix them together. And these are the mixture I made for the egg. I'm letting it cook. I'm gonna fry it, guys. If you're watching the channel for the first time, be sure to watch this video until the end, and I know you're gonna like it. This is a very delicious fried rice. I really love this dish. It's kind of amazing and delicious at the same time. It's easy. It doesn't take long. You need to give it a few minutes. You'll be having your own food here ready. But first of all, you need to boil the rice first on the other side, and then you do some egg, and then transfer to another bowl, and then fry the onion on the other side. If you want like simple, easy way to go, you can be frying the onion on the other side. Or maybe you choose not to fry it. It's not a problem. It's optional. Fried rice is one of the best dish you could ever have. Amazing, delicious. Try it and let me know. You will love it. I'm telling you. This is one of the best so far. I really like this dish because it's easy to make, especially you can start from work and you're tired. And when you're done frying your onion like that, you're gonna pour it inside and mix it, and pour your fried rice too. When you're done putting it together, try to mix it, and then put the spices inside so that it can be delicious. And that is the garlic powder. The first one I put was lemon with the bell pepper, and that is soy sauce. You're gonna mix it, but don't put salt actually, especially when you were boiling the rice. You put salt. You shouldn't be putting the salt now because it's gonna be salty, because we all know soy sauce is always like salty, and it's some kind of amazing taste. And after what you're done, you mix it a little bit and give it like a minute to mix together, and then keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick in the pan. And then it doesn't stick anyway, but still you shall have to fork. And then it's done. You're gonna be tasting it like that, and you're gonna enjoy it. Like I'm telling you, this dish is one of the best. Believe me. When you try it, you'll be like, wow, so good. Be sure to check other video on the channel, and thank you for watching.